These Royal Imperial bone china side plates, T-plates, made in the 1960s. These are burnished gilt rims, scalloped outer rims, as you can see, with burnished gold all the way around them. An autumny sort of feel to these, pink, green and brown leaves with these fern backdrops in brown, green and grey. Nice little things. Would have been part of a tea service. We haven't got the plates, or sorry, we haven't got the teacups or the saucers with these. Finest bone china, Royal Imperial. Now, Royal Imperial is always one of those brands that gets collectors a little bit confused, because you look up for who made Royal Imperial and you won't find anything anywhere information wise. But the clues come from when you do the research on some of the patterns which were also appearing on Duchess china, marked china pieces from the same period. So the pattern catalogue was definitely owned by Duchess as the parent company, and they were probably producing Royal Imperial for a specific contract where Duchess wasn't to be supplied, or that they wanted to supply a range that was unique to that contract. A little bit harking back to the days when a pattern would have been produced solely for a large china house or distributor. Back in the sort of turn of the 19th and early 20th century, you quite often see some of the big London china houses and no factory mark on them. These are in good used vintage condition. There are some knife marks on the surfaces, you can see there if I get the glaze reflection, but by and large all four of these are very nice and clean generally. Fine to use, no chips or damage on them other than a little bit of loss of the burnishing, and they've all got the same identical china marks. So nice period 1960s Royal Imperial, autumny feel, Halloweeny sort of plates, aren't they? Make a very good dresser display for late season autumn and early winter. Only four of them, unfortunately, but we'll pop a link in the description below with all the sizes and pricings on the website, available for you to have a look if you just click on there if you'd like to find out more information about these Royal Imperial bone china side plates. Thanks for watching.